today is out. Kasi mas madami kong choices na frame. Kakalagay ko na niya guys, yung kung na nandito yung mga. So guys, I focus on lifestyle. Hey guys, it's Robbie and today is our new and first vlog again here on YouTube. As you can see guys on my channel, nakapag-upload na ako ng mga videos like 2 years ago. I think 2 years ago pa yung last video ko, and nag-upload naman ako dito ng mga shorts about my skincare videos, and nag-earn naman sila ng mga views, and today to try ko mag-upload ulit ng YouTube videos dito. And as you all know guys, I'm a UGC creator and I do content creation on TikTok and Instagram. So today I'll be trying to put my content here on YouTube. So first guys, let me show you my room muna, because my room is 70% done on the renovation. And first, as you can see, my frames, ayan, yung mga frames niyan, yan yung mga nabili ko sa TikTok shop and different online platforms guys. And di ko na masabi lahat, pero di ko na alam saan ko na order yung iba dyan. But most of the canvases dyan guys is nabili ko sa Temu. I think mas maganda yung mga designs na nandun compared sa ibang app, kasi mas madami kong choices na babagay dito sa room ko. So let me show you. So this is my most recent guys. Wait, let me turn on the light. So this is my most recent frame. Kakalagay ko lang kanina. Binili ko yung frame and yung mismong canvas, but yung canvas is hinati ko siya because hindi siya ka-size. 30 by 40 yung frame and yung canvas is 30 by 45. I think medyo mahaba siya and may sobra siya. Itong dalawang to is, ito yung mga nabili ko na dati, but ngayon ko lang nabili ng frame, and ito galing din sa Temu. Tapos yung frame na to guys is, hindi pala siya frame ng binili ko, para siyang bulletin board. Tapos siniksik ko na siya sa gilid. And also from Temu yung canvas niya, and yung frame also is from Shopee. So yung mga frame na yan guys, nabili ko lang siya for about 190 pesos ng ganyan kalaki na. And itong mga maliit na to, which is in A4 sizes, I think nasa 78 pesos lang siya. But yung ano niya guys, yung material niya, ito mismo, yung parang glass niya is not actually a glass. This is a plastic na parang glass, which is okay. Kasi kung mahulog masyado, hindi siya mababasag guys. And yung yung frame niya is wood. And in case you're wondering guys, ano yung nilagay kong pandikit dito, di ako nag-drill ng wall. Naglagay lang ako ng mga strips, yung parang dumidikit na ganun, so that I can remove and hindi siya mag-iiwan ng stain dito sa wall ko, kasi bagong pintura din siya guys. And also, I have this lamp. Oops, di ko siya pantay. So this lamp is also from Temu, and this fake book is from TikTok shop I think, and this also my side table is from TikTok shop. Nabili ko lang to for about 600 plus pesos lang ata. And yan, pillows from Dofia. Bedsheet yan. I love color gray talaga guys. Kaya yan yung napili kong color. And in case you still don't know me guys, you can follow me on social platforms. Ilalagay ko na lang dito yung mga social media accounts ko. And I'm a UGC creator guys. Again, content creation. And actually, kakagraduate ko lang nung April 21, 2026 with the course of tourism management. If you guys wondering. So, a lot of people say, ba't hindi pa daw ako nag-work? And actually, I want to pursue this content creation after I graduate, because I want to break the barrier na after mag-graduate is hanap ng work, hanap ng corporate job. But I think as a small content creator, I think I can grow here, and this is my passion and this is my place. And I'm actually exerting effort when it comes to content creation guys, as you can see sa mga posts ko. And as a small content creator then, I can also work with different brands, whether it's Xdeal or paid collaborations. And I started with Xdeal pala guys. So Xdeal, in exchange of that video, so dahil sa mga Xdeal na yun is nabuo ko yung portfolio ko, which can attract brands talaga. If you're curious, UGC stands for user generated content. So you create videos for the brand and the brand will post it to their page, and nasa yun na kung ipopost mo ito sa iyong mga account on TikTok. And for me guys, pinapost ko siya sa mga social media accounts ko, kasi ito yung mga nag-a-attract talaga ng mga brands. Kasi last time, for example, I posted the video about my pillows because under renovation nga yung kwarto ko. Nag-post ako ng mga pillows ko na nabili ko dito sa TikTok shop. Yung pinili ko yun. Then after that, kinabukasan I received an email from Dofia ata yung name niya. I think Dofia, and nagsisell ng mga pillows. So they decided na padala nila ako. So that's an Xdeal again guys. So kapag ex-deal kasi, kung magagamit ko naman, tinatanggap ko na. But if it risks my skin and my health, syempre may bayad yon. And mostly guys, I focus on lifestyle and skincare talaga. As you can see on my videos here on YouTube, meron ako mga shorts dito. And I started from Korean skincares, which are my main collaborators. And mainly from Korea talaga sila. And I started collaborating brands from Korea or international. And bihira lang ako makakollaborate ng mga local products here in the Philippines. Ewan ko bakit ganun yung ano. But in my case guys, alam nyo ba, mas galante magbayad yung mga international brands kasi sa mga nandito. In my case, I don't think ko lang kung sa inyo kung mas malaki ba ang bayad yung mga dito. Kasi they are just basing on followers guys. Kasi yung mga kakakolab ko sa ibang bansa, nagbe-base sila sa quality ng video and paano mo i-execute yung binigay nilang product. So I think I just share some of my UGC and content creation life. And I hope you guys follow me on my social media accounts and subscribe here on my YouTube channel. And I hope masundan pa to and sumipag akong gumawa pa ng mga video so that I can share my life here on YouTube also. And I know mahirap pag multitasking and gumawa ng mga videos from different platforms. So sisibagin ko talaga mag-upload ng mga videos dito, lalo na kapag nasa outside ako and if I want to share anything. And thank you guys so much. Please do follow me on my social media accounts and subscribe here on my YouTube channel. Bye!